Hi guys, how are you all today? For today's video, let me share with you this very beautiful adventure going to the TZ Shan Monastery. So, sana po ma-enjoy niyo ang aking vlog for today at panoorin niyo po. At big love shoutout muna sa inyong lahat ng mga nandito ngayon nakatune in. At bago tayo magpatuloy, mag-i-intro po muna tayo. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let me just share with you our adventure in TZ Shan Monastery here in Hong Kong. TZ Shan Monastery is a large Buddhist temple located in Tong Tis, Tai Po District, Hong Kong. Within the monastery, there is a 76-meter tall statue which was a manifestation of a Bodhisattva Guan Yin. This statue of Royalon Guan Yin, also known as Senta Manikakra, it stands about 76 meters tall. At syempre guys, napaka-white niyan, napakalinis po dyan sa loob. So ayan guys, napakataas po niya at napakalaki at napakaganda po doon sa loob. Pag pinasok nyo tong kanyang monastery at maikot nyo ang buong place na napapaligiran ng mga halaman at napakagandang view. So, if you have time, I recommend this to you to visit here. But syempre, if you come here, you have to be quiet kasi this is a solemn place, and then to respect the others that are making their prayers, something like that. So, hindi na po ako magdadaldal ng marami kasi nga keep quiet daw tayo. So, ayan guys, sana po ma-enjoy nyo ang aking vlog for today. And before I forget, let me just tell you na if you want to come here, you have to bring your food kasi wala pong mga restaurant dito sa loob guys. Wala pong mabibilhan dito sa loob at ito'y napakalayo sa kabihasnan. Nasa tuktok po ito ng bundok. So magdala po kayo ng sarili niyong water, importante yun. And then some food for you to have or snacks for you to eat while you're resting. May mga ano po sila guys, may mga tables po sila na available na pwede kayong mag-rest at habang kumakain. Pero wala po silang restaurant, ulitin ko, wala din po silang bintahan ng kahit ano dito. Wala po kayong mabibili na food or drinks here sa place na to. So secure your own food at pumesto sa tamang lugar para kumain. Hindi yung pagala-gala lang habang naglalakad kumakain. No, this is a very solemn place at sana po igalang nyo rin po. Yun. By the way, sa lahat po ng mga tahanan na umumpon kay Solabi, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. From admins and to all the members, big love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Thank you very much po sa support. So, ayan ha. Diretso na tayo. Sit back, relax, and hope you enjoy my vlog for today. hanggang dito na lang po ang ating pag-feature dito sa TC Shan Monastery, at special thanks to my boss that is very kind na nilibre ako para magpunta dito, which is medyo malayo-layo to sa place kung saan tayo nagwo-work. So maraming salamat po, at thank you very much, boss, at sana mapanood mo tong video na to in the future. And of course, thank you for sharing the experience of coming here and walking through the forest that is very slow and solemn. Thank you very much once again. So that ends our visit here in TC Shan Monastery here in Hong Kong with boss na nilibre ako dito para mag-tour, mag-ikot for a special occasion. So, sana po na-enjoy nyo ang aking vlog for today. At please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thank you very much po. Please stay connected to be updated with my next videos. Once again, this is Sulabi, always reminding you to stay healthy and be safe always po. See you in the next videos. Paalam!